Home care versus nursing homes. Which option is right for your loved one? Choosing the best option for your loved one is one of the most difficult decisions a family can face. Do you choose a nursing home, where your loved one will live in a facility with multiple residents? Or do you choose home care, where your loved one remains in the comfort of their home, surrounded by family members and memories? Both options have their merits, but it's important to understand the emotional, financial, and physical benefits of in-home care, especially if you want your loved one to retain their independence and continue living a fulfilling life. Why home care may be the right choice. Personalized care in a familiar environment. One of the biggest advantages of home care is the personalization. When your loved one receives care at home, their daily routine can remain largely intact, providing them with comfort and familiarity. When your loved one receives care at home, their daily routine can remain largely intact, providing them with comfort and familiarity. They get to stay in a place that they know and love, surrounded by cherished possessions and memories. This kind of environment promotes better emotional well-being and can contribute to a faster recovery from illness or surgery, maintaining independence and dignity. Unlike a nursing home, where there may be more strict schedules and less privacy, in-home care allows your loved one to remain in control over their daily activities. They can decide when they want to eat, sleep, and enjoy their hobbies, giving them a greater sense of autonomy and dignity. This helps prevent feelings of isolation or depression that can often arise in institutional settings. One-on-one care and greater attention. In-home caregivers can focus on your loved ones exclusively, which leads to more attention to detail and higher quality care. Your loved one won't have to wait for a caregiver to assist them or compete for attention with other residents, as they might in a nursing home. This one-on-one care ensures faster response times, customized care plans, and better relationships with caregivers. Less exposure to illness and infection. Nursing homes can be a breeding ground for germs and infections, especially during the flu season or in the midst of a health crisis. In-home care, on the other hand, provides a safer environment with fewer risks of exposure to contagious diseases, as your loved one is in a private, controlled space. Cost effectiveness. In-home care can often be more cost effective than a nursing home. Home care, especially if your loved one only needs help with a few hours a day or a few days a week. Nursing homes come with higher overhead costs, including room and board, meals, 24/7 staffing, which can add up quickly. With in-home care, you can create a customized care plan that fits your budget, and the costs are usually more predictable. Why nursing homes may be a good fit for some. Of course, nursing homes do have their benefits for those who need round-the-clock care, medical care, specialized services, or have conditions that require more intensive support than you can provide at home. However, many families prefer the flexibility and personal touch of home care when possible. I'm Jesse Epps, the Home Care General, and I'm here to help you navigate the world of home care with confidence. Follow me for more expert advice.